Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an account on Agoda application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First, you need to download and install Agoda application on your device. Once you do so, open the application. So guys, once you open the application, you will see an interface like this: sign in or create an account. So you can create an account using your Google ID, you can sign in with Facebook using your Apple ID, or you can use your email address as well. And then they say there are other ways to sign in. If I tap on that one and tap on mobile number, here you can sign in or you can create an account. So I don't have an account. I will tap on create an account. The first thing you need to do is to enter your first name, last name, email address, password, and confirm the password. And you need to agree to all the terms and conditions. So I will enter all the details and I will see you then. So guys, once you enter all your details, the next thing you need to do is to tap on sign up. So once you tap on sign up, they say you need to turn on notification. If you don't want it, then tap on no thanks. You need to allow Agoda to access to your location. So guys, this is what you will see, the first interface when you created an account. So guys, this is all it takes to create an Agoda account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.